大家好，我係香港城市大學系統工程學系副教授周浩輝博士。
Hello everyone, I'm Xiaohan Du. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of System Engineering in CTU.
嗱，咁今日咧就好高興啦，咁想同大家分享下關於 AI 同埋工程界嘅有趣話題。咁工業4.0啦，亦都係所謂嘅第四次工業革命啦，係以呢個智能製造為重點嘅系統科學嘅角度出發啦，分析同量化生產系統中唔同嘅因素，改善產品嘅品質，降低成本同埋提升呢個生產力。咁如果我有資本嘅話咧，考慮到香港嘅土地有限，我可能會經營一家專門從事先進技術啦，同埋小型設施嘅公司，好似話運輸物流嘅物聯網啊，各種小型嘅感測器啊，人工智能同埋機器學習處理器咁樣。咁而為咗推動香港工業向智慧生產嘅升級轉型啦，咁其實政府咧亦都有唔同嘅資助計劃嘅。咁而我相信呢啲資助計劃咧，亦都好適合我呢種投資。咁我認為 AI 咧同埋其實人類工程師咧係互補嘅。人工智能 AI 啦就可以開發到唔同新嘅工程工具啦，亦都可以幫我哋做出一啲好快同埋好有效嘅工程決策。咁但係問題咧就係話 AI 咧好多時只係喺一啲受控嘅環境上面運作到啦，咁亦都好難話佢哋喺唔同嘅現實環境裏邊咧，亦都可以咁有效咁運作嘅。譬如話我哋講智能駕駛車，咁喺陽光同埋一條空蕩蕩嘅道路上邊，咁佢當然行駛得好好啦。咁但係問題就係話，如果當天氣惡劣嘅時候，當道路擁擠嘅時候，佢係咪亦都可以咁有效咁運作呢？咁人類工程師咧就正正可以喺呢啲環境上面咧就作出唔同嘅調整，咁令到人工智能系統咧就可以繼續喺呢一啲高度複雜啊、模糊同埋動態環境上面咧有效咁運作嘅。咁而正正因為自動化技術咧，我相信其實未來咧我哋更加需要工程師嘅。我相信自動化技術同埋工程師咧係互補嘅。工程師可以喺唔同嘅環境作出調整，令到自動化技術咧可以不斷咁進步，可以喺唔同而又複雜嘅環境裏邊咧繼續有效咁運作。咁而且其實我哋未來工程師所需要嘅咧係創新同埋企業。呢個亦都係點解我哋城市大學喺2024年啦係推出咗創新與企業工程學士課程。咁而我哋歷屆嘅畢業生咧亦都出路好多嘅，受聘於唔同嘅行業，包括港鐵啊、香港國際機場啊、香港中華煤氣有限公司啊等等，佢哋都從事咗好多有關於自動化企業嘅工作。
Our CTU's new bachelor program in Innovation and Enterprise Engineering covers both traditional system design and processes, along with AI and emerging technologies. This program aims to train a new generation of engineers with innovative and entrepreneurial mindsets, offering opportunities for tech startups and fostering collaboration between university and industry. Our program emphasizes hands-on experience, with internships being a graduation requirement. In the first 2 years, you will cover first, traditional and fundamental knowledge in relevant fields. Second, smart systems engineering and quality improvement solutions. Third, the scientific principles and applications of innovation and enterprise engineering. And lastly, practical work experience and communication skills. Yes, absolutely. The Hong Kong government provides numerous funding opportunities for young entrepreneurs. Our program strongly emphasizes practical experience, offering extensive entrepreneurship training and opportunities. You will learn the scientific principles and applications of innovation and enterprise engineering. We also invite guest speakers from Hong Kong Science Park and the Tech 300 program to share their successful entrepreneurial experiences and case studies. We will also organize various seminars and workshops to provide practical and industry experience. Students can broaden their horizons through summer workshops, internships, and overseas exchanges.
咁如果你都想學習創新嘅系統設計，成為新一代企業工程師嘅話咧，咁好歡迎你加入城大系統工程學系，報讀我哋嘅創新與企業工程學士課程。